It's Justin here, and we're back with another installment of our 2020 Toyota Tacoma Project Wayfinder build series. And this is where we really start to focus on the big goal of Project Wayfinder. And that's that we want to make a competent, versatile rig for the outdoor enthusiast. So whether you're hunting, fishing, backpacking, or whatever, Project Wayfinder will be your trusty off-road chariot to make sure it can bring all the gear you need and keep it safe and secure when it's not in use. That's why we're heading inside the Tacoma now to make some key upgrades to protect and secure Project Wayfinder's interior space. For starters, we're going to be adding some WeatherTech floor mats to help protect the interior of the truck from muddy boots, fish hooks, and whatever else we toss inside. Then we're also going to be getting some slick stuff from Tuffy security, cool storage compartments to keep our stuff safe. The last thing is some Molle panels from our friends over at AllPro Offroad to allow us to mount whatever we want to add inside our Toyota. With just a few hours of tinkering, Project Wayfinder is getting a complete interior transformation to improve its versatility and practicality. So enough talking, let's dive in.
So I'm going to just be removing these two screws here, and then basically this thing just drops right in and rebolts in. It's stupid simple.
Constructed from 16 gauge steel, they create a secure storage in a hidden seat compartment, which is ideal for securing your valuables. Our Tuffy locker install is complete. Project Wayfinder is ready to hide and protect whatever valuables we have. Now let's move on to the floor mats. We've used these a lot in our project builds, and you can't beat WeatherTech's tried and true floor liners. As always, we recommend that you leave these out in the sun for a little bit to let them form the best they can and then install them in your vehicle. Now that the floor mats are done, let's move on to install these interior overhead Molle panels. Start by removing the overhead handles above the doors and install the provided adapters from AllPro to mount these Molle panels. Then just put everything back together and the install is complete. So we have Armin here from AllPro Offroad to talk about the sweet parts offering that we threw on Project Wayfinder. And we have him to talk about one of the coolest accessories that we put on the inside of our Tacoma. And that's the overhead Molle panel. So Armin, tell us about this Molle panel and what makes it really great. You know, the whole Molle panel thing has kind of blew up over the last couple years, and I need one in every one of my vehicles.
So the Tacoma overhead Molle panels are a great accessory to mount any of the aftermarket accessories. Example, like a Molle panel, Molle pouches, a first aid kit, any of the EDC kits. It just gives you extra accessory mounting options on the back seats pretty much. Because sometimes when you're on the trail, you might be just by yourself, or you might have a passenger, but the rear seats are not getting used. All in all, if you like Molle products, this is going to be a really handy product for you.
Truth be told, all these installations were super easy and straightforward, and they're really going to improve our Taco's interior when keeping our cargo safe and secure. Because that's the last thing you want is your fancy GPS, expensive fishing pole, or delicate hunting equipment bouncing around the back seat, not tied down. And make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the action from Project Wayfinder or any of the other cool stuff we post on Summit Racing's YouTube channel. Until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and thanks for watching.